Where do you want to go? Alright, we're about to start our chicken two ways.
No, don't burn like that, bro. And you wanted to come up this. Oh!
We're all locked and loaded. Waiting on James. I should be coming out any second. Just loaded up his stuff. I think he's just saying bye to his people. Got James. Heck yeah. We're gonna get some Carl's Jr. and then we're on the road. All right. Ooh, we made it. And the lake bed's actually open this time. It hasn't been open in a long time.
The water.
Yeah.
They have to wait till it dries, hardens.
All right, we made it to the entrance. We're gonna give them a printout of our pass so I can finally get my placard. Wow, it's pretty.
Windy.
Yeah. We gotta drive through those dust bowls. I mean, that looks fun down there, but when we're cooking and eating, that's probably gonna be
No, that's why I
annoying
said.
as fuck.
That's why I was saying over here.
Yeah, that's
For
gonna be
cooking and
super
eating
annoying
and chilling
over
and everything, I don't want to be down there. If we had the RV, totally different.
there. Those are cool quads, Hondas. We need to get one more quad so we can just ride quads too. Out here, James.
I can actually look at, so you can see. That's what I've been working with the guys. Yeah, now I can take a video. It was all black and cracked and everything.
James and his phone are a rite of passage for our trips. And we got...
If I don't lose it or something doesn't happen, something else happens.
Yeah. So we're good because he already broke his phone and fixed it. And we got our orange pass. 2026. The breeze makes it kind of nice. Like, not too... We made it finally. All right, we got everything untied. Now we're just gonna leave it there to block the wind because it is pretty windy today. Beautiful out here though. We're gonna do a ride down to the lake bed all the way out there because it's finally open. And we'll probably explore the mountains. Check out the surrounding areas and viewpoints. I'm gonna be riding the quad. James is gonna cruise around in the RZR. We'll probably swap it around a little bit too. You know how to use it? Pretty much two-wheel drive unless you need it. You know what I mean? Is it on two-wheel drive? Should be right here. Toggle switch.
No, it's on two. It's on two. I wasn't looking on the dash. I was looking at the thing. Yeah, it's on two.
This one's gonna rub. Look. This one's gonna start rub. Yeah. So yeah, do that just a little. There you go. It's good, it's good.
Just feeling like the e-brake's on.
Oh yeah. It feels like there's resistance.
Yeah, that's all.
It's like a motorcycle. Where do you want to go? Right now, where do you want to go? The mountains or the bed?
Where do you want to go?
We'll go to the mountains first, and then we'll come back. Just keep it on all fours. Keep it on all fours. All right, we're out of here. We're gonna go cruise. Trusting James. Look at these guys. Look at these guys.
Oh, they're playing music or something.
Yeah, they're doing a music
Like
video
a
or
music
something.
video or something.
That's a trip. Right? Came up easy, huh? Yeah.
My 400 wouldn't have made that.
You don't think? Yeah.
It's
Well,
just
maybe
one
on
spot,
with
one
good
spot.
tires.
It's one spot that I would have got stuck on.
Oh, high centered or something.
No, it's just that I don't think my car would have had enough
Oh,
power to
I
really
see.
make it. I would have just spun and stayed right there.
That makes sense. I'm too scared. The top, I don't know, the top has me thrown off.
I don't know, yeah, I don't know what the top was.
Yeah. Where should we go? Where should we go?
Following you.
I wanted to get on those mountain trails, but I ended up over here. Get some, baby. We made it to the end. Yep. Just a turnaround. Wow. Top of the mountain we were trying to work our way up to out here in El Mirage.
So he does want me to come down, I take it, because he's filming me. That's the sign.
No, don't turn like that, bro. Bro, that got scary. Yeah, dude, it got scary for a second because your wheels started sliding forward, and I was like, oh boy. Those, yes, I'm like, oh my goodness.
And now he goes, you're not scared to win it, or scared to lose it, then you ain't scared to win it.
Yeah.
You ain't willing to win it.
Yeah. All right, we're back at camp now. We got chicken two ways, guys. We got some chicken legs and some chicken breasts. I'm gonna grill up some tacos, I guess. I don't know. I just realized that we just grabbed cheese. So we have cheese, meat, sauces, and tomatoes and onions. We almost have lettuce, but
we got salads.
Oh, we did. So we got lettuce. Ah, ayo. Okay, what we have to clean. Thanks, last neighbors. We're about to start our chicken two ways. James is gonna do
two ways.
Yeah, people are gonna ask what's chicken two ways. Chicken two ways is one way on the charcoal barbecue grill with barbecue sauce, chicken legs, and other way is gonna be on the flat grill with just thinly sliced chicken breast. So we're getting things ready here. And we're gonna have a competition.
We both have to rate each other.
And then we'll do another rating in like a couple days to see if either of us got sick. All right, time to grill up some food, baby. All right, chicken legs are on. Chickens are on. These are gonna cook up fast. All right, we got the chicken going. Some tacos up. We got the chicken legs.
But yeah, it was that rock. It was just that rock. I don't know about that rock. That's the sign. Let's go, guys.
It's dark, guys. Look at the city lights. Can't really see them well on GoPro cameras, but they're out there, I assure you.
But I'm fine with
I mean, we'll be home by midnight probably, right? We almost got everything loaded up. Got the quad tied down, RZR tied down. James helped put the gate up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he did.
I drove that up.
Drove that one up. That was hard work.
So hard.
No, but he did good for his first time riding a quad or a RZR ever in his whole life. He did good.
What do you mean? Like I was gonna do bad?
You were gonna do bad, bro. Just out here on the side of the road, checking the load real quick. After we got off the dirt highway and stuff, everything looks good. All right, we're headed back home, guys. Thanks for joining us on the trip.